Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything under things, politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. In this video, we are going to discuss the allegation that security agents have killed 32,000 unarmed civilians in Southeast Nigeria and extorted over 3 trillion naira. Now, these killings allegedly happened in the Southeast, when Southeast is not at war with anyone. What happened? That's what this video is all about. Welcome. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Now, a human rights group, the International Society for Civil Liberties and Rule of Law, known as InterSociety, has accused the Nigerian Security Forces of secretly killing about 32,000 unarmed civilians in Southeast Nigeria in the past 9 years and 4 months. This tabulation, this data was between August 2015 and December 2024. And these are within the period when the All Progressive Congress are in charge of Nigeria. So these killings of 32,000 unarmed civilians happened under the APC administration between former President Muhammadu Buhari administration and President Bola Ahmed Tinubu administration. Now, this group alleged that the perpetrators of these heinous crimes used the proscribed Indigenous People of Biafra, IPOB, Eastern Security Network ESN, and alleged Biafra terrorism as a pretext to carry out their nefarious activities. InterSociety had in recent past, during similar media outings, accused the Nigerian security operatives of sending innocent citizens of the southeast zone of the country to their untimely graves. These allegations were made in 2 special international reports on rights abuses and violations in Southeast, prepared by InterSociety and released during a World Press Conference presided over by the organization's Board of Trustee Chairman, Emeka Ume Abalasi, and other top officials of the organization in Enugu. Now, the well-researched document, which has 26 chapters and 272 pages, was authored by senior staffers of the organization, including its boss chairman, who is also a criminologist, Chief Ume Abalasi, Barrister Chidema Udebunam, Deputy Leader and head of the campaign and publicity department, Barrister Chinwe Umeche, and head of democracy and good governance program, Barrister Obianuju Joy Ibodi, head Liberties, Barrister Obianuju Joy Iboele, head Liberties and Rule of Law, and Barrister Didiamaka Bernard. They are the people that authored this report. The title of the report is Nigeria Ocean of Innocent Blood. Nigeria Ocean of Innocent Blood flowing in the East. Nigeria Ocean of Innocent Blood flowing in the East. Now, this report insisted, the report titled Nigeria Ocean of Innocent Blood Flowing in the East, insisted that the massacre of civilians in the Southeast has become worrisome and called for urgent intervention by the international community and other relevant human rights bodies for intervention. Okay. The groups also alleged that thousands of civilians from Southeast were unlawfully detained and tortured, where over 6,000 were blindfolded or face-bagged and bundled at night from the East and dumped uninvestigated in 7 northern states of Niger, Kogi, Nasarawa, Benue, Kaduna, Zamfara, and the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja. It reported in the report also claimed that the security agents in the Southeast, within the period under review, have collected over 3 trillion naira bribe through roadblocks and gunpoints, with the police force allegedly taking in the largest amount. According to this report, an estimated 2.7 million illicit small arms, an estimated 2.7 million illicit small arms and light weapons have been proliferated in the region, including 400,000 in the hands of Fulani jihadis. This report, to say the least, is troubling. Now, the InterSociety is a human rights organization that has been prominent documenting acts of violations of human rights in the Southeast. It has presented well-researched reports recently where it claimed that over 32,000 unarmed civilians were killed in Southeast secretly, allegedly, by security agents. And they do all this under the cover of IPOB and ESN, that IPOB and ESN had become a cover for security agents to allegedly perpetrate killing of innocent unarmed civilians in the Southeast. And they presented the report to show that this had been systemic. It's not only that they talk about that 3 trillion naira within the period. No, the period they are talking about was between 2015 and 2024. And these are the period, 9 years period, under the control of the ruling All Progressive Congress. In other words, it is the APC administration that superintended over this alleged killing of innocent civilians in the Southeast. And they did not do anything. Because if you listen to the report, you will see that even the InterSociety appear not to have confidence that the Nigerian government could do anything about it. That's why in the report they were more concerned about calling on the international community, international NGOs to join the struggle, to join the fight, to save the lives of innocent civilians in the Southeast. Now, this is not a new thing in Nigeria. Remember, there were also allegations before now that several people are being killed under the cover of fighting IPOB or ESN in the Southeast, which has also been documented by Amnesty International. Amnesty International has also done reports of extrajudicial killing in the Southeast, which is also, those reports from Amnesty International also as troubling as this report that was released recently in Enugu. But I do not think that it's only the international community that should look into this matter, because already the report is claiming that over 6,000 people from Southeast have been scattered in several parts of northern Nigeria and left unaccounted for. If that is true, then there is a need for the government of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and in a democracy, to do something about it, to carry out an investigation. There should be investigation. And even the lawmakers from the Southeast region of Nigeria ought to take it as a challenge to table it before the National Assembly and compel the security agents to account for 6,000 civilians from the Southeast that were allegedly scattered in several northern states inside correctional centers, which are abandoned there with nobody charging them for any crime. Because when you have a situation where people are dumped inside correctional centers like that, And according to that report, they were abandoned in the night, blindfolded, their faces covered with bags, and dumped in several northern correctional centers. Many will just die innocently with nobody being held accountable. And this report is claiming that many of those who have been treated like this, their rights violated, the excuse that security agents are using was that they are members of IPOB or that they are members of ESN. This international human rights organization, InterSociety, is saying that many of those are innocent and that the security agents are taking advantage of IPOB and ESN terrorism fight in Southeast to kill innocent people, to torture innocent people, to even take away innocent young men, because I believe that most of those who will be involved, who they will be taken away, will be innocent, will be young men, and pick them up in the middle of the night and scatter them all over northern Nigeria correctional centers. That's what this report is alleging. This report cannot go unaccounted for. It is the responsibility of the Southeast Caucus in the House of Representatives, in the Senate, to present this matter so that the heads of security agents could be summoned to account for this tragic report. That's my take on this video. I don't know what you think about this sad report, but whatever is your position on this, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.